Well, as you see, they got a whole bunch of boards. They got scaffolding. They got 4x4 wood. Pretty much, they're building scaffolds. They're putting up the scaffolds and stuff like that. They got all the wood out. This whole place is empty. Look how it looks. They're putting up the beams. Looks like they gutted everything out. And now they're putting up the basic structure. As you see, one day at a time, like the foundation, setting it solid. And then I guess a few months after that, they'll start putting up the walls. So we'll see what happens in this situation. All right, I'll keep you updated. Peace.